How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
Tell I'm also fine. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Aradhya. I am from Badot. I have passed 11th and nowadays waiting my 12th class result, and I am doing self study by YouTube for CUP exam and learning spoken English. So about my family, so there are 11 members in my family. And about my hobbies are cooking and learning new things. About my goal, I want to be a government bank manager. This
Do,
is all about myself. Now, if you want to ask anything, so you may be asked.
do you study?
Yes, I study.
Do you afraid of your father? Are you afraid of your father?
No, I am not afraid of my father.
Are you try to speak English?
Yes,
Do you try to speak
yes, I
English?
try to speak English
Why do you try to speak English?
because I have learned. Because I want to learn it.
Are you afraid of singing a song?
Yes, I am afraid of singing a song
Why are you afraid of singing a song?
because I do not try.
What have you passed?
I have passed 11.
Where have you passed 11th from?
I have passed 11 from Saraswati Shiksha Niketan.
When have you passed 11th, 12th?
What?
Oh, when have you passed 11th?
What have you passed? 11?
Do you like to watch TV?
No, I do not like to watch TV.
Do you like come here?
Yes, I like to come here.
Okay. What do you want to do?
I want to be a government bank manager.
Government bank manager. Okay, and what are you doing to become a government bank manager?
I am doing self study by YouTube and learning spoken English.
Will you do a job?
Yes, I will do a job.
Where will you do a job?
I will do a job in UP.
What are you sick of?
I am sick of take fish.
Can you fight with my mother? Your mother.
No, I cannot fight with my mother.
Okay, man. What are you doing nowadays?
I am learning spoken English and doing self study by YouTube for CUT exam
Why do you learn spoken English?
because I need it.
Maybe.
Would you like to waste money?
No, I would not like to waste money.
Would you like to save money?
Yes, I would like to save money.
Have you ever gone to market?
Yes, I have done this work.
Do you dare to perform dance here?
No, I do not dare to perform dance here.
Do you do you dare to ride a bike?
Yes, I dare to ride a bike.
Do you dare to go to Delhi alone?
No, I do not dare to go to Delhi alone.
Do you want to be a successful person?
Yes, I want to be a successful person.
Do you live alone at home?
Yes, I live alone at my home.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
What have you taken in your breakfast?
I have taken rajma and chapati in my breakfast.
With whom have you taken breakfast?
I have taken my breakfast with my mother.
Do you like to sing a song?
No, I do not like to sing a song.
Do you like to study?
Yes, I like to study.
Would you like to see the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I would like to see the Taj Mahal.
Okay. Do you have to earn money?
Yes, I have to earn money.
Would you like to see the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I would like to see the Taj Mahal.
With whom would you like to see the Taj Mahal?
I would like to see the Taj Mahal with my family members.
Do you try to tell the truth?
Yes, I try to tell the truth.
Which topic have you read so far?
Pardon?
Which topic have you read so far?
I have I have read spoken English.
Okay.
Do you like to do you like to teach?
No, I do not like to teach. Do you try to speak English? Yes, I try to speak English.
Would you like to earn money?
Yes, I would like to earn money.
Why would you like to earn money?
Who does not like to earn money?
Would you like to smoke?
No, I wouldn't like to smoke.
Do you need to earn money?
Yes, I need to earn money.
Why do you need to earn money?
Who does not need to earn money?
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not teacher.
Who are you?
I am a student.
How do you come here?
I come here on foot.
With whom do you come here?
I come here with my batchmates.
Do you need to go from here?
No, I do not need to go from here.
Do you want to be an IAS officer?
No, I do not want to be an IAS officer.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject, maths.
Why?
I like it. I am fond of. I am fond of solving maths.
Would you like to read in English newspaper?
Yes, I would like to read English newspaper.
What do you want to be?
I want to be government bank manager.
What are you doing to become bank officer?
I am doing self-study and learning spoken English.
Okay, it was a nice discussion. See you next time.